Let's look it up. Okay. Ilang breaks?
Squeeze a bit, sorry.
I'm good.
Right, Honorable, would you just tell us the purpose of this visit?
Well, it was to appreciate the work that the Immigration Department is rendering to Malawians, focusing on challenges that are leading to queues outside this office and also in the ground. So I stepped through the processes and I've appreciated that.
What are the key challenges?
Well, the system, issues of motivation. We are going to meet again in the boardroom and discuss these issues. But in a nutshell, I would say they are going through very critical challenges which government must pay attention to. Because many times we just blame immigration of all the issues of corruption that we have had. We have talked about them as well. But there are many more issues which really must be dealt with. We have also discussed the system that they are using here of letting people queue outside and wait. So say let's focus on this, because when people are standing for too long, they start to lose patience and so many things can happen. So we are saying let's treat them as gentlemen and ladies, or ladies and gentlemen. So basically we are looking at the Malawian be given the best services by the immigration department.
So in the meantime, what have you recommended that to be done? At least I think for Malawians to be safe with passports within the reasonable time.
You see the issues of decentralization, where districts can also be issuing passports. We have issues of hardware here. Some of the computers are worn out, and there are so many hardware issues, systemic issues. So we are saying let's focus on those. Because this is a sensitive department, we cannot talk about everything. I'll simply say, I was here on behalf of the president. We have looked, we have seen, we have touched, we have observed. We now have to come up with a strategy to deal with those challenges. And another thing that I have highlighted is that even when a patient goes to hospital, when he's given his diagnosis and then prescription, then he's told how he's going to get the medicine. It may not take 2 days, 3 days, but when you explain that when you take this medication, you are going to be okay. So you take medication in the morning, in the day, and in the afternoon. The fact that the patient has been given that information, he starts to get better because there's hope that things are going to get better from this prescription that I've seen from the doctor. So what we need as government also is to explain to Malawians very chronologically what we are going to do to deal with the issues that we are facing, so that Malawians can have hope, and when they come here they know this is the first step, second step, by this date or by that time these issues will be over.
When should Malawians expect the normalization of passport issues here?
Well, I can't say when, because we have identified the problem. For me at least, they knew the problems. We are now going to look at the various prescriptions or strategy that we should use to deal with the problems. So I cannot be precise to say by this date, but very soon Malawians will know, because the Immigration Department, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Homeland Security, as well as Ministry of Information, will be talking to people. All what we need is Malawians to know exactly what is happening than just being in the dark. Ndabwera kuzaona mbinagwira ntchito komanso mavuto amene timamva zokhudza immigration kunoko, ndiye nthawi zambiri timakamba zambiri kwa sunaone zimene zikuchitika, ndiye tinabwera kuti yonendeka ndiye takabirana nawo kuti izi simungazigwiritse ntchito mwatero bwanji. So taona mavutowo, tiona chochita chachikulu nchona kuti Amalawi azidziwa kuti vuto ili liti chikuchitika ndi chani. Mmene ndakamba kuti kupita kuchipatala amakupasa mankhwala mwa 1 week or 7 days, katatu pa siku, futi akupasa mankhwala aja kwamba kumwa akuuza umakhali chiyembekezo kuti ndichira. So zochitika zako ndi matenda ako zimasiyana, ngati suna uzule matenda ako mankhwala sakukupasa. Sono apa tifuna Amalawi auzidwe chikuchitika ndi chani, liti, bwanji, kuti Amalawi nawonso akhale akuda. China chimene sinakuipa china kuti pa za welfare ma promotion zimanena kuti ma promotion azichitika munga mwa Malawi. Ndimauza PS kuti pasakhale kulowerera andale ena aliwonse kuti koma uyu mpange promote uyo ayi iyayi chifukwa zikamatero ena tamanga kupita ntchito monyenyali anu ndi omwewo ife iyayi. So zimene zonso ndizoyipa. No politician should come and contaminate professionalism yako immigration komako. Agwire ntchito munga ma professionals na promotion on merit kuti zonse zikakhala bwino zikamala kuika ziti kulabu zidanji chiti chonse tikupasana. Makompyuta ena akalekale komanso taona kuna kuti kupanga print pa passport kunoko sakupanga print tinkala kupereka ndiyeso maboma pali amene akupereka pa passport angudikira ku Blantyre Ndongwe Mzuzu. Kufuna kuti maboma amunso muzikhala ntchito zimene zonso kuti anthu asamayende kubwera ku Blantyre ku Ndongwe Mzuzu atha kumalandirira makwawo. Maybe let me
Muna ya promotion in English.
One area that was brought up by the department is that of promotion. There were issues that were raised. Now, my comment is that when it comes to issues of promotion or treatment of the people working in the civil service, including the immigration, you should not be informed by political affiliations, whether it be DPP, MCP, UTM, AFODI, whichever party. We are all Malawians. If the politicians contaminate professionalism in the immigration department, then we are going to have so many issues that are going to bite Malawians. So for us to be efficient and effective in the immigration department, we need to be in the department apolitical. So that I've emphasized. I've also talked to the minister, the PS for Homeland Security. I also talked with my colleague, the Minister of Homeland Security, that we should ensure that politics should not permeate in the immigration department. This is true with other departments. Malawians are Malawians. Full stop.
Thank you, sir.